The world is in constant movement and subject to change. The challenges human beings face are becoming increasingly difficult. Promigas accepts them and is moving ahead by constructing new proposals for development. We are located in Barranquilla, a modern and progressive port city on the Caribbean coast of Colombia. The city gate, La Arenosa, is located on the banks of the Magdalena River and supplies natural gas to the city of Barranquilla. In 2007, Promigas began to design a metrological meter testing laboratory that takes advantage of available natural gas. The result, 1 year later, was the standing up of the first gas meter calibration facility in Latin America, which uses natural gas at high pressure as calibration fluid. A facility with pioneering technology, which is able to calibrate turbine, ultrasonic and Coriolis meters. There are automatic and mechanical controls to protect the installation against overpressure. The control system ensures pressure stability throughout the test. Master meters guarantee accuracy and traceability of the measurements during calibrations. This is the area where meters under test are installed, and there is a flow control zone to keep the flow rate stable at each calibration point. The pressure, temperature and composition of fluid natural gas are constant throughout the process. This guarantees the volume of gas that enters the calibration system is equal to the volume that comes out, thereby complying with the continuity law. The calibration facility has high accuracy and repeatability instruments that ensures reliability in the measurements taken, as well as calculations and control over the variables in the process, thanks to an operational design that guarantees a best measurement capability between 0.29 and 0.39% in error measurement. How we operate. The process begins with configuration of the calibration software. This is done by a metrologist who enters information from the customer into the system, along with all the necessary parameters to begin the calibration. Initial pressurization consists of taking the gas pressure in the facility from 0 bar to 3.45 bar. This pressurization is automated and governed from the operation station and the main controller. With the system partially pressurized, the operator performs a leak test. When the system is proven to be hermetic, it is pressurized to the proper level for calibration. The system automatically selects the pressure regulator valve, depending on the flow and pressure required to calibrate the meter. With the required calibration pressure, the system is stabilized at the minimum flow for the selected master turbine. This allows us to protect the customer's meters and the infrastructure of our installations from possible damage caused by overspeed, and to start the process at the first calibration point without risk. The calibration process begins once the system is stabilized at the minimum flow. It consists of achieving and maintaining the different flow rates or calibration points under stability parameters. These points and the necessary number of repetitions for each one are determined by international standards and recommendations, best practices, or, in special cases, by the customer. Upon completion, the data acquisition system feeds the software for results analysis, which involves data validity verification and measurement uncertainty calculation for each calibration point. Finally, the software produces a calibration certificate. Besides having all necessary to control the system with flow stability and rigorous measurements, Promigas' high-pressure calibration facility is operated by professionals in metrology who are trained to guarantee the quality of this service.